Yo guys, what's up? How's it going today? Welcome to the Daily Options Trade. Today we're going to be looking at Tesla. Alright, we got some Tesla options that are going to be expiring here pretty soon. You can see it's been a little volatile today. Let's go to the chart. It's been a little volatile today. It was down a lot this morning. Here you go. It was way down, and its price is recovering. So this is a good thing. We can go to a smaller 5-minute chart. You can see prices kind of spiking back up a little. So this is a good time to handle some options. This morning it wasn't so good. It was way down here at 671 or so, 670, depends. But prices recovered. It's kind of going up and down. It's kind of fluctuating, but it's a much better position than it was. So here we go into the positions. Let's take a look at some others. I don't think I have any others expiring today. Got a little ways in that one still. Norwegian Cruise Line is April 23rd. Got time on that one. We have next week is options expiration week. It's going to be a lot of options. Taking care of those. No, not yet. So not yet. So this is one for today. So let's roll it. So you can see, get some pretty good premium on it. I'm not sure what Tesla's going to be doing, but $13.65, that's pretty good premium. Let's roll it down to 80. Let's do a diagonal. Whoa, it's a quite significant difference. Still over $1,000, so that's pretty good. Tesla's a kind of volatile stock, so if we go up to 90, that's not really that much more. $13.65, so I think I'm just going to do a straight roll. Let's go for a little bit more than this. Let's go for 30. 30. Let's try to split the difference here. 42. Alright, let's see if that 40. Let's see if that'll take. Okay, let's go a little more. Man, prices are fluctuating all over the place, isn't it? Man, these guys can't make up their mind. Alright, neither can I. Let's just try it. Go. Hey, it was filled, so I didn't ask for enough. That's okay. Still made $1,300, which is pretty good. I'll take it. Alright guys, that's all I have today for the Daily Options Trade. Stay tuned, subscribe for the Daily Options Trade and more wealth building techniques, cryptocurrency news, and more trading. We'll take a look at some other stocks here. Hey guys, I switched over to my other account just to take a look at what's going on over here in this account. So we got some Apple stock. Alright. Yep, there it is. Doing pretty good. Expires next week. So 14 cents. Yeah, it's probably going to be fine. We got the charge point. That expires next week, I believe. Yep. Well, a couple expired today. But they're so far out of the money right now, it should be fine. The 32, I'm going to have to probably do something with that next week. Or just take the stock. I've already made, let's see, $400 on the stock from the other two puts. So I'd be break even, basically. GoEV was doing good earlier today. It was up over $10. Now it's just under. I predicted that stock would be around $10 after the big sell-off, after all the news, leadership change, all that kind of stuff. And you can see it's still doing okay. I predict it's going to be $10 for probably a little while still. It's probably not going to move much until they get some more news on some prototypes and stuff like that. Go see my other video on GoEV. It's pretty good. Alright. Nicola, I'm going to have to handle next week. It's a real problem stock for me. Palantir, nothing expiring today, but next week's expiration week. Looks like I'm going to have to do some stuff there. Probably do some rolling, some diagonals or something. Looks like I'm making a little bit of money out in May and a couple in April. It's alright. Ride had a major sell-off, right, after all the chaos that has happened there and the news that came out. See my separate video on that. I'm going to be making one. I don't know if I made it already or I'm going to make another one. Alright. Ruth Chris Steakhouse. Awesome place to go. Love that place. Price is getting maybe a little overblown here. I guess we'll see. Suncor. It's a good energy, clean energy play. Good deal. So I guess that's it. Nothing really to do here in this account for today. Just keep an eye on things. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend. Remember, subscribe to my video channel here on YouTube. Hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so we can get the word out to everybody. Really appreciate that. Alright guys. Thanks for watching.